Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know, it's a girl Malika Skylife in the building. Wait, camera light. Alright, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know, it's a girl Malika Skylife in the building. Yo, I wanted them. Now if you're on my channel for the first time, please remember to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscription button. And guys, show the love. Leave a comment. I really want to hear from you. I want to hear your views. I want to see what videos you want to see from me. Anything, leave that in the comment box below, right? At the Skylife way. Now this video that I'm about to do has been highly requested from you guys. I get this question a lot on my Snapchat, I get it on my YouTube, I get this question all over, in person, everything. Now over the past couple of months I lost about 25 pounds and everybody wants to know what I've been doing and what has been working for me, and that's definitely exactly what I'm gonna be sharing with you now. Now what I started to do is I started to exercise, I started to eat better, I started to exercise, eat better, and I stopped drinking juices. I just drink water. So the first thing that I started to do is I started to drink at least 1 or 2 of this daily, and what that does is it cleanses your body. This is a 1.5 ml bottle of water. I drink one of these every day when I'm at work, and when I wake up in the morning, I drink water on my empty stomach. I drink it when I brush my teeth or not, I just drink it. I go straight to the bathroom when that happens. So the first step that I would do is when I wake up in the morning, I drink an 8-ounce glass of water without brushing my teeth. And what that will do is send me to the bathroom right away. The second thing that I do, if I don't drink the water, I drink my apple cider vinegar in the morning with the mother in it. The mama have it in there. The mama. So guys, you have to drink the apple cider vinegar with the mother in it. What I actually do with this is I drink it twice per day. I drink it in the morning and in the evening. I drink an 8-ounce glass of water with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and one tablespoon of lemon juice or lime juice every single day. That's what I started to do in the beginning when I just got started. So guys, the second thing I started to do is I started to eat different, right? I stopped eating at night. I cut out night eating and I just start. So what I would do is, I'm not really a breakfast person. I'm just forcing myself not to eat breakfast. What I would normally do is, I don't normally eat breakfast. So what I would do is have my apple cider vinegar in the morning, maybe a banana or so. And then at lunchtime, I have a big lunch. And then now at like 5 or 6 o'clock, I have a heavy dinner. Then I go to school. When I get here, it's 9-10 o'clock. I go to my bed. I drink some water, drink my apple cider vinegar, and go to my bed. Right? Another thing that I also implemented in my diet or in my routine of losing weight. I'm not take it so serious to call it weight loss journey or whatever. But just take it one day at a time, because guess what, this weight loss thing, if you take it and put it for your head, you don't lose no weight. Because I realize that weight loss is about like a mental thing, right? And if you pressure yourself, you're not gonna lose weight. Because I used to go to the gym like every single day for like 2 months when I was at 200 pounds, and I never lose 1 pound. Right? I never started to lose weight until I not realized I didn't lose weight. I just decided I did stop eat late at night. Right? And with that, I stopped drinking soda, bag juice, everything. Anything I mix up, I stop drinking. Just straight water alone, I drink. Implementing exercise. I also had I have an exercise belt. This is for your tummy area, right? So when you're exercising, this helps you to sweat around your tummy, and then you will see difference in terms of the hourglass shape of your body, which I'm getting now. Really, but I'm going to be, but I'm working on it. And with that, with my exercise belt, before I put it on, I use this. It's called a belly gun. It's belly gun. You have a smaller bottle and you have this bottle. Just maybe you will see a website up where I'm selling this, because you won't get this in a regular store, right? So if you guys are interested in getting the belly gun, what the belly gun does, it helps to sweat on the belly. It also helps with the stretch mark, because I did have some herbal stretch mark on my side, and then practically gone now. And the only thing I like with the belly gun, what I say is, sometimes what I do when I put on my waist trainer, I normally put on maybe a plastic bag around my belly or something. I feel like it kind of itch me with the plastic bag. I don't know why. Maybe it's my skin, because I have really sensitive skin. But with the belly gun alone and my exercising belt, I sweat on my belly, and that curve something there, I come out. So this is the second item that I would recommend that you get, is the belly gun. If you're interested, leave a comment below and I'll get back to y'all. So this, you can get it on Amazon. It is the Mac Davis exercising belt. It has a leather material inside, and that is what helps you to sweat. What I normally do also is, I have a body shaper blouse. It's nothing extra, it's just a body shaper, just to help to keep your body intact when you're working out. Normally people wear it when they go somewhere nice, they want to shape up their body, but I wear it when I'm working out as well, just to keep that inner tuck, you know. And what else? For last week, I decided to cut down on the rice, because I really want to get that flat tummy, and that's what I'm working towards. I don't really want to lose no more weight. I'm kind of comfortable with my weight, but I want to take off my tummy. And in order to take off your tummy, you have to lose weight, because it's cardio is what is going to help you to take off the belly fat. Because a lot of people make the mistake and try to do abs thinking that the belly fat is gonna come off. No, what you're actually doing is building the abs under the fat, and that is gonna make it a pretty harder to get that physique that you want. Another thing that I started to do is, this is YouTube channel, it's called Fitness Blender. Lord Jesus, I recommend you to go over there so and do some high interval training, high interval workout. Me say 30 minutes is your mash up, you can't go. So I started to implement that in my journey. And for this week, I didn't drink any apple cider vinegar, and I realized that I should about 3 pounds. I decided to ease back on it a little bit, because what happened with the apple cider vinegar is, it can be too strong for you at times, because your body is full of so many toxins. And how you know that your body is full of toxins is when you go to the bathroom and you're urinating, and that urination is like orange. No, it should not be orange. It should be clear, or you know, one like a light yellow. And that is what the water has helped me with too. Because I drink water alone, I'm telling you, clear. When I wake up in the morning and I go to the bathroom, oh Lord Jesus, I know some I get cleansing every single day, and that is a courtesy of the apple cider vinegar alongside with the water, as well as my skin. I don't really wear makeup to that, but we touch up 1 and 2 times because I have really dark spots on my face. But the apple cider vinegar helped me with, let me realize that my skin are clear up, and the water as well, because people have come up to me and ask to say, Malika, what you use for your skin? So what the hell? Malika skin advice. So what is? So me say, yeah, it's the apple cider vinegar and the water. You see, by you just stop drinking soda alone, you take off a lot of weight. So that's the first step that I would implement. Stop drinking juices, just drink water. Try and force yourself. I know say water not tastes good with everything, and that's something that I had to adjust to at first, but then no, like me just want water. The other day I went to a party and I had some soda, and I said this something my harsh, I couldn't manage it. Like I know my style no more. Water my style now. I also like, it's just simple. Eating healthier, me not eat nothing different. What I try and do is cut down the portion them, because I used to eat a whole heap of food one time. And what I try to do is to chew my food properly. I used to cut and swallow and go chew. So I try to chew my food properly. And when I realize that when I chew your food more, the food sweeter. I'm tell you, like, you take time and chew your food, you'll get a sweeter taste. The rice, I try and cut down on the rice and realize my belly will go down. And yeah. So what else is there that I want to say to you guys? Well, really and truly what I want to say is, you just have to eat like in a smaller portions. Me not change up me still love my pork, me still love my chicken, I'm cutting back on the rice because I know I eat rice too much. Me like eat rice 7 days a week. Rice is my favorite thing. You know, so I try to cut back on the rice. I eat more vegetable and greens and whatever, but me still have me dressings. Like me ranch dressing. Me love ranch dressing. Even though it's fatty. But yeah, that's basically what I do, guys. So I hope this answers the questions about my weight loss. So guys, you can try the apple cider vinegar with the mother in it, with your lemon juice. Try to start drinking more water, cut down on the rice, eat more vegetables. You know, just put your mind where you want to reach. So if you're at a 200 and you want to go 180, visualize yourself at 180 and what you need to do to get there. So that's basically what I have to say to you guys about this video and what I've been doing to lose weight. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscription button and definitely show the love. I really want to hear from you guys. Peace.